Hey guys, I'm Jeffrey, physical therapist, and welcome to my channel. This video will be a 5-minute feet routine you can do every day to keep your feet healthy. I know most of us are either busy or just lazy, so I will not take longer than 5 minutes of your time. Quick disclaimer, the majority of the video you will only be seeing my feet, so just a heads up in case it grosses people out. Perform exercises at your own risk, of course, but feel free to modify, adjust movements as needed. You don't have to go full range if certain positions are more painful. Let's move and improve. The first exercise will be the ankle and toe stretch. This exercise, you will stretch your ankle and toes at the same time yourself. Start by stretching the ankle into dorsiflexion while bending the toes back. Then stretch the ankle into plantar flexion while bending the toes down. You can do 5-second holds, 5 times each side. Exercise number 2 will be self-massage using the lacrosse ball. If you have a lacrosse ball, you can use it at the bottom of your feet as a massage. I recommend start in sitting so you can better adjust how much pressure you put through it. You can press and hold at different parts of the foot or roll it back and forth. Exercise number 3 is called the short foot. This exercise focuses on creating an arch in your foot and strengthens those muscles within the foot. Do the stretches as a warm-up before performing the short foot to help prevent cramps. Think about gripping the floor as you create that arch. Try to maintain the balls of the foot contact with the ground. Do 10 times on each foot. Exercise number 4 is the calf raises. You can't go wrong with stronger calves. I like to do them off a step for a deficit to achieve more of a stretch at the bottom, but you can just do them on the ground. Let's do a set of 10. Hope you guys enjoyed the routine. Give this video a thumbs up, share it, save it so you can come back to it whenever. And thank you guys for watching. Click here to watch my 5-minute neck routine.